When it comes to adding a glowing radiance to your complexion, it's easy to feel like you've tried it all. But what if there was a highlighter that not only delivers a luminous, natural glow, but feels weightless on your skin too? Let's talk about Stila's Heaven's Hue Highlighter, a product that promises to melt into your skin, creating that lit-from-within glow that every beauty lover is chasing. Now, this isn't just another highlighter. What makes this one stand out is its bouncy, almost cloud-like texture that you can feel as soon as you dip your finger into it. It's unlike any highlighter I've tried before. It's so lightweight, you almost forget you're wearing it. Yet the glow it provides is undeniable. No chunky glitter here, just ultra-fine, light-diffusing particles that work their magic to enhance your natural skin. It's a beautiful balance of sheen without veering into disco ball territory. When it comes to application, you have options, which is always a win in my book. Whether you choose to apply it with a synthetic brush, sponge, or even your fingers, it blends out effortlessly, leaving no harsh edges or streaks. It's the kind of formula that's flexible and versatile, so you can wear it on bare skin for a more natural, dewy finish, or on top of foundation for that extra layer of glow. The smooth texture and transfer-resistant formula also make it a great choice for those who need their makeup to last through the day or night. I tried the Kitten shade, which is a gorgeous champagne with a hint of peach. It worked wonders for brightening up my cheekbones, but I also loved using it on my eyes, especially in the inner corners for that extra pop of light. If you're a fan of strobing or want to play with makeup in a way that feels artistic but not over the top, this product is a must-try. You can even swipe it down the bridge of your nose, on your Cupid's bow, or on your chin for that "I woke up like this" glow. As for the longevity, I have to say I was impressed. It stayed put through a long day, even when I was on the go, with no fading or transferring. You get a long-lasting glow that doesn't budge, and that's exactly what I look for in a highlighter. The formula holds up well in different lighting conditions too, so whether you're indoors or out, the glow stays consistent. But is this highlighter perfect? Not quite. While it's excellent for most skin tones, those with deeper complexions may find that the Kitten shade doesn't pop as much as it would on fair to medium skin. In that case, you might want to look at Stila's other shades to see which one works best for you. Also, the texture might not be to everyone's taste. It's very soft and almost spongy, so you have to be careful with how much you pick up, as a little goes a long way. Now, when we talk about value for money, I think this one is worth it if you're someone who wears highlighter regularly. The formula is top-notch, and you can tell that it's a high-end product. That said, there are other highlighters at a lower price point, but none with quite the same texture or longevity. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to check out highlighters from brands like The Balm or Becca. They've got some great options that come close in terms of performance, but might be a bit more budget-friendly. Overall, if you're a fan of a luminous, glowing complexion without the heavy, thick layers of makeup, Stila's Heaven's Hue Highlighter is a solid choice. It's versatile, long-lasting, and gives you that gorgeous, natural glow without feeling like you've piled on product. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a glowing review. Your support helps us keep creating content like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've tried Stila's Heaven's Hue Highlighter, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Stay glowing, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.